Hello YouTube, today we have this Enron ceiling fan. Pretty childhood fan of mine. It's probably has the same bulb in it. This thing. Now I've been meaning to get a video of these for a while now. But I'm here today and I decided to record them. The fans in the house. One of them I got today, so I won't be able to record it until later on tonight. Or tomorrow, as it's got a light problem. And shorted, so totally figured that out. One of the green fans have been removed. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the light back on this one. This one is located in the guest bedroom of my aunt's house. I'll be getting this fan probably in a couple years, along with the rest of the ones in the house, as they are getting replaced by either newer fans or just lights. Some are getting removed with fans. Some of the fans are starting to get replaced quickly now, so I'll also be demonstrating this portable fan in the house as well. But I will not be reversing them, as there's a lot of dust and I don't want to make a mess. So that's one. Enjoy.